didn't go as planned. I've been making paper planes since I was a kid. It would fly sometimes, but I've been making paper planes since I was a kid. It would fly sometimes, but today I want to try something different. What if I can give it power? Hmm.
Let's do it. I'm using a cardboard for this build because it's lightweight and also firm, and I started by marking out the desired length I wanted. I used scissors to cut out the unnecessary parts, and then I started folding the plane. There are so many to fold the paper plane, but this particular method has been passed down through generations, and somehow I'm part of that tradition. After making the perfect plane, I decided to add a bit of mass that weighed more than the motor, battery, switch, and propeller. To prove a simple theory, if it flies with this, then it would surely fly with them as well. Having been pleased with the outcome, I made 3 other planes, and then I selected the best, and I added the motor, the switch, the battery, and then I used hot glue to fix everything together. And I also tested if the switch worked. For the propeller, I used the cover with disposable plates because it's light and also flexible. And I also used hot glue to keep it in place. Then also did another test in slow motion. I just brought it out for the first test, but I found out that the battery was already dead, so I have to charge it back, and this is the only way I can charge it since there's no charging ports or any stuff like that. Yeah, I think it's charging, so I'll wait for 10 minutes, then I'll put it back in the plane and see if it's going to fly. And it's supposed to help it move forward, but right now I'm actually charging the battery, but I think it's supposed to be flying on its own with this kind of thrust. I'll be checking that in a minute. This is a first, or should I say a test flight, so even if it goes bad, I'm still going to take information from that, and then in the second flight I'll see what I have to improve. And turning on. I'm sure the Rice brothers did encounter some challenges when they made the first airplane, but this is different. This is failure, flying failure. So I'm just going to give it another test. Right. One more test, and this time I'm doing it in slow motion, just to get that cool peak, or yeah, cool image. I'll just do it in slow motion this time around and see how it goes again. Right, this was worse than the first, but yeah, I think I have some info. I now have some info about it. I'm going back to the drawing board, and I have to fix the size and get a new battery for it also. I have a bad news and I have good news concerning this project. The bad news is that I accidentally lost the switch, and the half good news is that I'll be replacing the old tiny battery with the one from this RS helicopter, which is much more better than the first.
So foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything.
And I'm also replacing the old plane because it was looking too saggy.
See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone, some of us need work.
I had to be more creative with the new build because I no longer had the switch. So instead I used the magnet.
So I'm going to be using this, and then I would add the magnet to one of them, and then when I connect it, it completes the circuit.
And I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days.
I'm going to continue the video, but as you can see, the weather is like very bad, so I'll continue later.
So I had to wait the whole day and then continue the test the next day. So I brushed the plane out and I'm charging it, and I also changed the body because this is not the way it was looking. And I'll be testing it here.
3, 2, 1.
That was bad, like that was really bad. I mean, I wasn't expecting it to be that bad, but I wasn't going to give up just yet, so I just kept on throwing it. It kept on getting worse, and then I thought of an idea of bending it a little bit upwards, which then helped with keeping the plane stable. And it's flying, so I just have to throw it and see if it's going to work. So that was kind of successful, but I think I still have to throw it a little bit higher and see if it's going to work much better than it did this first time. I think I still need to throw it higher, and right now it's still spinning, so I'm just going to do that. Still while testing, I lost the motor and propeller, and then I also lost the terminal from the battery, and it was kind of clear that this was not going to work. But this build wasn't just about making something fly.
It started with the simple thoughts. When I was younger, I used to dream of flying things, aeroplanes, helicopters, anything that could move through the air.
Though I still don't have those things, and I may not be able to afford them even right now, but I've learned something important today. It's not really about having everything, it's about using what you have, because even a piece of paper, a tiny motorway, and some creativity can turn into something amazing. So if you're dreaming of building something, start with what you have. Start small but dream big.